Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to find the kurtosis of a column of numeric data. So let's dive into the demonstration. As you can see, I've got the PySpark, the community edition of Databricks open. So if you guys want to see how to set this up for yourselves so that you can use PySpark for free, I'll link to a video of mine in the top right hand corner of your screen. So make sure to check that out. Coming to the demonstration, what I've done so far is I've read a CSV into a data frame. I've just displayed the data frame so you guys can get an idea of what the data looks like. The important column here is this salary column, so that's what we're going to be performing this kurtosis function on. And before we perform the kurtosis function, I'm just converting the salary column from a string. Since it is loaded as a CSV, it's obviously come as a string, so we're converting that into an integer data type column. You can see that's been done, and then we're checking the schema just to make sure, so it's an integer. So that's done. So now we have to import the kurtosis function from PySpark.sql.functions. Import kurtosis. You need to write this or import this function for it to work. It's not automatically in there. And after that, we can just very simply query it using the df1.select, call the kurtosis function and specify which column you want the kurtosis function to be performed on, and do a dot display or a dot show. So you can see we've got a negative 1.12 kurtosis value. For those of you who don't know, kurtosis is just basically the measure of the combined weight of a distribution's tail relative to the center of the distribution curve. So it basically measures like how many outliers your data has, and negative kurtosis value means that you've got a sort of more evenly distributed data set, that is even more evenly distributed data set than the normal distribution. So there are fewer outliers in the value. That's what this negative kurtosis value basically implies. So that's it for this demonstration. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you guys in the next one.